Man, what's up, y'all? JSB the Creator. I'm back again with a new video today for y'all. In today's video, I got a little treat for y'all. I'm gonna do a little review slash unboxing. And what will I be unboxing and what will I be reviewing? I will be unboxing and reviewing something that I created myself.
You want a cookie?
I don't know, a couple videos back, if you guys remember, I did a Lebron 8 Bruce Lee custom, right? And so I opened that up to the floor for everyone to send me their Laker 8s so I could do a couple pairs for other people. So this is the first batch that I finished, and I wanted to show you guys what the packaging looks like, what the shoe looks like, everything, you know, what you get when you order, you know, a Bruce Lee Lebron 8 custom, right? So that's what I'm gonna be unboxing. That's what the subject is.
That's pretty interesting.
So let's get it started. I have one of my client sizes right here. It's a size 12, and this is what the packaging and what everything will look like if you do a Lebron 8 Bruce Lee. Like I said, I'm doing 2 batches. I just finished up the first one. I'll start taking in orders on the second one soon, but I'll let everyone know. But this is what the box will be like. Nothing crazy. Got the Bruce Lee scratches on the Nike check. Gonna have my signature right there side with the Bruce Lee scratches again. You know, again with the Bruce Lee scratches right there. You know, I didn't want to do anything too crazy. Just wanted to add a little pizzazz to the box. Let's get to the shoes itself. The paper's still the same. And
Oh my God!
I'm acting like I never seen these, right? This is what you'll be getting. Lebron 8 Bruce Lee's right there. It comes with a custom hang tag right there. As you can see, black snake skin right there stitched on there. Got the, you know, LeBron signature in red. You got the Bruce Lee scratches right there. Blacked out outsole. Custom insoles. If you guys remember, I did a video. I'm gonna pull these out. As you can see, did the Bruce Lee kicking Kareem Abdul-Jabbar on this insole. On this insole, you have the legend Kobe Bryant rocking the Bruce Lee Kobe 5s, which inspired this custom. Rest in peace to the legend. So yeah, as you can see, these bad boys are gorgeous, man. I mean, I'm not even gonna lie, they look better than the pair I did for myself, which I'm gonna go get right now because I use different colors, I use different techniques on these pairs than I did on the original pair that I filmed and recorded for YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that real quick. I'm gonna go get my pair. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I have with me my pair. This is my original pair that I did for myself. I've worn them a couple times. I mean, how can you not wear something that looks like this? And this is the actual new pair. Now, this color is actually more closer. If you've seen the Bruce Lee Kobe 5s, this is actually a color that's more closer than my bright yellow pair. The Kobe 5 Bruce Lees are kind of more similar to this color right here. If you look closely with the snake skin here, it's more like a dry snake skin. Here, it's more like a glossier snake skin. Little differences right there. The techniques that I use are slightly different. I don't know if you could tell on this flywire panel, but my dye that I use here, it's still not as black. While on this pair, the dye is clearly black. It looks like carbon fiber almost. Some of the other differences, on the eyelets, I painted the eyelets on the yellow pair. On the black pair, I actually dyed it. The same thing with the patent leather line on the tongue. I painted this pair. On this pair, I dyed it. So you can probably see the difference in shine. This pair is more patent than this pair since I actually painted the line on this one. On the tongue on this one, I actually dyed it. So it still has more of a patent look to it than my pair does. Also on these pairs, as you can see, I have a custom hang tag. Originally, when I bought these hang tags from K-Tronics, I'm gonna leave his Etsy shop in my bio below in case you guys wanna buy any type of hang tags. You got LeBron hang tags, Jordan hang tags, all types of hang tags. And not only hang tags, you got like SCUF controllers, controller attachments and stuff like that. But originally when I bought it, I was trying to get in yellow and black because I mean, like, Bruce Lee's yellow and black, right? Problem is that the yellow that I bought was, the camera's not picking it up, but it's a slightly lighter yellow than the actual yellow on the Bruce Lee's. And it's even more like light yellow as compared to these, which I was originally gonna do this color. So I took these and I was like, damn, I bought a bunch of them. They're the wrong color. I need to do something with them. So what I ended up doing is, I ended up doing a little custom on them. Ended up coming up with this gloss black and platinum color. I don't know if you can see the platinum on the middle part. And the back piece is a dark glossy black. So I was able to customize that real quick, do it up, and they came out pretty nice, man. But like I said, man, K-Tronics, you killed these little hang tags. They got the LJ crown on the back. You got the LJ23 logo on the front. So you got both of LeBron's logos on them, regardless of where they flip. I like the yellow on these better because, like I said, it's more closer to the actual like Kobe 5 Bruce Lee pair than my pair is. But yeah, man, either way, yeah, these are tough. These are super tough, you know. Like I said, I did a couple pairs. I'm gonna do a couple more. People keep asking me for their size. I keep trying to tell them, you have to send me the shoe. I don't have the sizes. I'm not gonna go and buy a bunch of Laker 8s and then just tell everyone, hey man, come buy your size. I want to know who's buying it. I don't want to have more stock than what I'm gonna actually sell. So that's why I let people send in their pairs, and then I'll take in their pairs and do them and send them back. But yeah, I don't have any sizes on hand. I just have the sizes that people actually sent to me, and then I customized them in this Bruce Lee colorway. This is probably one of my favorite custom packages that I've done. Y'all been following me, y'all know that the last time I did anything like that was with these, when I did the South Beach LeBron 7 release. I've retired this shoe. This is gone. I'm not doing any more of these, but I did like 23 pairs of these, and just still, like, you know, God love life. I wear these a lot. They always catch people's attention, but you know, like I said, they're retired, and these has been the next drop that I've done, and I'm very excited to do some more pairs of these Bruce Lees. You know what I mean? If you're looking to get a pair of these Bruce Lees done, you know, I'm gonna do another 8, you know, on the second batch. I'm finished up with my first batch. Gonna do another 8, and that's about it. A lot of these colorways ideas came from the fact that it's so freaking hard to get the original shoe. The LeBron 7 media days, I wanted the Laker pair. I mean, I could buy them now, but you know, I wanted to get them on release day. I couldn't get them, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna come up with my own media day. Came up with these bad boys. Tried to get the Kobe 5 Bruce Lees, couldn't get them, so came up with this bad boy right here. You know, sometimes you create what you want on something else different. Both of these shoes, you know, they ended up on LeBron's story. I'm thankful for that, and that's all because of y'all, man. You guys have always supported most of the work that I've put out there. The love that you guys have shown, and the more you share my work and put it out there, it reaches the eyes of other individuals and people. And like I said, these wouldn't have made it onto LeBron's story, or he wouldn't have liked these photos and all that other stuff if it wasn't for y'all. So shout outs to y'all, man. Big shout outs to y'all. Well, whoever y'all are, shout outs to y'all, man, for always supporting the boy. I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys have shown me on my videos, my Instagram, whatever social medias I follow. If you see me in person at sneaker events or whatever it is, you know, you guys always show mad love, and I really appreciate it, and I mess with y'all, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do it, like I said it before, I'm thinking of trying to do a giveaway. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do a giveaway of yet. I got a couple of like little donor shoes I have here and there that I'm gonna experiment with, and I'm just gonna give them away to y'all, you know, free of charge, none of that. I might do a little contest or something like that, but you know, I want to give back to y'all for supporting me, and so that's my attempt to give back to y'all as a way of y'all showing love to me. So I'm gonna make my way to getting all these LeBron 8 Bruce Lees back to their respectful owners, you know, and I got a couple more videos, a couple more customs in the chamber that I gotta work on. Like I usually say, man, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. They say that in other videos, so I have to say it too, because I want to be, you know, I want to do this right, the right way, right? So I got to say what they say. And what they say is to press the bell stuff. So, press it. But other than that, you know, enjoy your day, night, morning, whatever time it is, whenever you're watching this video. And man, I got a couple cool projects I'm working on, you know, and coming on the way, man. I got a couple more customs I got to do, a couple jackets I'm gonna be working on, clothing line, hey, something like that. You guys will stay on the lookout for that. I'm gonna do a custom giveaway. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do to them. Got a couple insoles that I'm gonna work on, and I'm gonna do a little giveaway for y'all. So like I said, you know, follow me on Instagram, stay in contact, you know what I mean? Tap in, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated on what I got going on. You know, I got a lot of creative ideas, I got a passion for this, so I'm gonna keep putting out work. I'm gonna keep putting out that work. So like I said, y'all stay tuned for that, man. I'm out of here. I'm gone. I got stuff to do. I'm gone. It's a beautiful day in Miami. It's hot outside. It was raining like crazy a couple minutes ago, but the rain gone. You know how the weather is down here in Florida, but can't complain. It's fun. It's been nice chatting with y'all. Me talking to the camera, because I'm not really talking to anyone. But it's been nice with y'all, and I'm out here. I'm out. Bye.
The sooner you get